Hey, Coach Greg here, and today I have the ultimate toned triceps workout. This is gonna be a longer video with weights or without. You get to choose. This is gonna be completely standing, so let's get to it. Alrighty, we are gonna jump right into the warm-up. We're gonna start off with some arm swings. You got 30 seconds on, 10 seconds off for all the exercises. So 3, 2, 1, let's do it. We're just gonna focus on really loosening up our arms. Again, we're focusing on the triceps, but you're gonna be using your shoulders, your biceps, your neck, back, everything. So we just want to make sure everything is nice and loose. We got the blood flowing, so then we can really target those triceps. Make sure you have water standing by in case you need it. Couple more seconds here. Remember, be nice and loose. We don't gotta go too crazy. All right, 10 seconds off. Next, we're gonna do some neck rolls. We're gonna start in 3, 2, 1, and let's roll that neck. Start going one direction. Just like this. Nice and gentle. Neck gets, what's the word? Forgotten. You see? Forgot the word forgotten. Go to the other side, especially when it comes to exercises. But we hold a lot of tension in there, especially when we're doing upper body workouts. So let's just get it nice and loose. You can go back and forth too. You can go side to side. And there we go. Last, we're into the behind the back tricep stretch. Take a couple seconds. And here we go. All you're gonna do is clasp your hands behind your back. Bring your shoulders back, arms, and try to really point your fingers, or at least get them as far away from body as you can. And you're gonna feel the stretch in your triceps, but also across your chest and your back. So make sure you're breathing through it. You can move around, you don't gotta be too stiff, but this is a great way just to activate everything and get started. So right after this, we're gonna jump into set number 1. It's gonna be fun. Alrighty, loosen up those arms. Set number 1 is gonna start in a couple seconds. Again, 30 seconds on, 10 seconds off. We're gonna start off with some arm circles. So here we go. All we're gonna do is really point with your fingertips as far out as you can. We're gonna just do some small circles here. And then you can jump to the other side. And this is where your dumbbells or your weights can come into handy. I'm just using 5-pound plates. You can use resistance band, whatever you want. But you get to choose which exercises you'd like to use weights for and which ones you don't. So whatever you prefer. Or you can just stick to body weight. Nothing wrong with that too. This is just a good way to really help tone those triceps. Great job. Put those down. Next, we have tricep extensions. Don't start yet. All you're gonna do is focus on putting your belly button to your spine, bend over, arms at 90-degree angles, and boom, let's get it. Just really gonna focus on using your elbow as the fulcrum, just like this. And obviously, you can still use weights. I recommend it, especially if body weight is a little too easy for you. Just make sure you're breathing and focus on the tricep. There it is, you're crushing it. Boom. Next exercise, we have front raises. I like to definitely use weights. For this one, you're gonna wanna stand up nice and tall. And just bring the arms out in front. Slowly lower them, let gravity do the work. Because we're not just trying to throw our arms up randomly. You want to feel it. Again, extend your fingertips as far forward as you can. Stand up nice and tall. You're going to feel this all up in your arm, your shoulders, everywhere. One more, and down. Next, we have tricep pulses. Same bent over position as before. Palms facing the sky, and here we go. Just gonna focus on pulsing right here. Don't let your arms drop below your pocket, but you also don't need to be like super high. But right here works wonders. Make sure you're breathing. You really reach backwards. And your triceps are gonna feel very sore by the end of this, but they're gonna start to pop. It's gonna be great. And done. Shake out your arms. Next, we have bent over flies. Again, choose which exercises you'd like to do weight with. Maybe for this first set, just do no weights, but I'll just demonstrate. But we're gonna do flies, same bent over position. Focus on bringing and driving those elbows back. Just like this. Shake it from the front. Really, the focus is definitely control the descent. We're not just trying to, like, let's use the negatives to our advantage. Really helps us strengthen our whole arms, triceps, back, shoulders, everything. And down. Last, we have IYTs. Same, we're gonna be in this bent over position for a while, a lot of these exercises, but hinge from your hips, extend your fingertips in front of you. We're gonna go into an I, a Y, and a T. You're gonna feel it all along your arms, so have fun with it. So here we go. Y, T, just like this. We're almost done with set number 1. And done. There you have it. Now your first set done. We're gonna start off with our arm circles. In just a second. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Shake out your arms. We got tricep extensions next. Get in position. Let's do it. Great job. Next, front raises. Take a couple seconds, deep breath, shake out the arms. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Down. Great job. Tricep pulses. Lost my place for a second there. Deep breath, same bent over position. Let's get it. Done. Next, bent over flies. Again, you get to choose which exercises you want to use weights for. You can start off with weights and maybe it gets too heavy, so you can drop them, go back to body weight, whatever you prefer. Here we go. Done. Last IYTs. I'm gonna drop the weights for this one. Here we go. Done. Great job. Second set done. Last set, best set. We're gonna start with arm circles. In 3, 2, 1, let's get it. There we go. Tricep extensions. 3, 2, 1, go. Good job. We got front raises. Come on. I know your arms are tired, but we got this. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. Done. Great job. All right, tricep pulses. We got this. We are halfway through this last set. Let's get it going. Done. All right. Bent over flies. 3, 2, 1, go. Done. Last exercise of set number 3. Then we got a couple cool down exercises, which are easy. Don't worry about those. But let's finish strong with these IYTs. Come on, let's get it. Great job. Those are 3 sets done. We're just gonna go right into some cool down exercises. We're gonna do some shoulder rolls. In 3, 2, 1, let's get it. We're just gonna focus on bringing the shoulders back. Just like this. Oh, we're gonna switch. 3, 2, 1. All right, now let's bring them forward. This is where you're gonna be breathing deeply. Again, we hold a lot of tension in our neck and our shoulders, so we're just trying to massage it out. There it is. You're doing great. Just see from the side. Great job. Shake out your arms. And then last, we just have an overhead tricep stretch. You're gonna wanna put your feet past shoulder width apart. Take a deep breath. We're gonna bring one arm over. Try to grab your opposite elbow. We're just gonna lean to the side. You're gonna feel the stretch all the way down your tricep, down your side. And just breathe through it.
We're gonna do 30 seconds one side, then switch to the other side. Alrighty.
Shake out your arms, one more side to go.
Overhead, grab that elbow, and lean over. Let's do it.
And there you have it. That was your ultimate toned triceps workout. My arms are tired. Like I said, these are a little longer videos. We're trying to just give you guys some workouts that you can do on repeat, like not daily, you know, but weekly, monthly, whatever you prefer. But we want these to be exercises that you can always come back to, that you know help you sweat, help you burn fat, and tone your body the way you want it to. So I'm Coach Greg. I will see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.